guys, here is George, no? George transmitter. He uses acetate to protect the string. Homemade, what do you call it? String protector.
Ganito mo para
This,
makita nila.
this also, okay. There. It's also protect the switch and the push button. Protects everything. Galing also. How do you do it, George? You just buy acetate from National Bookstore. Then you stick it with a double adhesive.
Kailangan tabasin mo lang na maayos.
Yeah. Okay. Then you stick it with a double adhesive tape. There, there's a double adhesive tape. Very impressive work, ha? Kagayahin kita. Galing, oh. Acetate lang. So it's protect everything, switch and the string. Galing.
Pwede na nag-tank.
Sayang eh. Baka...
No? Ganyan na yung radyo ko eh.
Tanggal, oh.
Yan si George. There. Galing, very creative. Ha? Good idea. Maganda idea yan.
Siguro dead stick, no? Nagkasingaw.
Wala naman siyo masyado.